With BIGVU, make videos that set you apart and above. We can separate real estate agents into two categories, those who use video and those who soon will be. Most realtors understand how powerful video can be to inform and engage home buyers. It looks professional and helps customers better visualize and connect with a property. You can create a slideshow of images or film each room, but the key is video trumps pictures every time. Property tours give viewers a real sense of the space. It highlights the finer details home buyers look for. But what really puts the cherry on the cake is the narration and the music you add to stir emotion. Those professional touches reinforce your branding and build trust, making buyers unable to resist a viewing. By using BIGVU, you can use pictures and video to make a highly polished and professional property tour. Property tours not only help you sell homes, they'll also impress current and future sellers. And the best part? You can whip together a property tour in minutes.